What's up, guys? Welcome back. Mario Galaxy is out this weekend, so let's draw Wonder Bowser Jr. This is from the poster. Looks pretty cool. So, yeah, that big mask of his. Crazy looking. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Cool, he has a paintbrush like an artist. So, let's try this. So I might start with that big mouth of his. So we'll go spiking, so up and down. Zigzags. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then there's like a one at the front. So it like hooks down and then goes around his nose. Back that way. Then we'll go back to the corner of his mouth and we'll do the bottom teeth. That one's real long. I think the bottom ones are actually longer than the top ones. And then it starts to go around the back of his mouth as well. So it goes like this way, but that's the inside, right? So there's a little bit on top of that. And it comes down his chin. And then we go inside the mouth. So he has a yellow line around everything. So just going around these teeth, this glowing sort of yellow. Section. And then coming down the mouth. So then this mask comes around his face as it dips down under his eye, around his cheek, and then down his chin. Kind of looks like a strawberry, if a strawberry had teeth. So we can see his green nose on top of this, comes down around like that. And he's got like a nostril in here. Then he has furry eyebrow coming out. It's like a big frown. And then his eye socket here with a black sort of glowing eye. Well, the eye is white, but it's like glowing sort of purpley white in here. So I'll just color black around that. And that's kind of got a purple tone to it. Alright, so then top of his head, this way. And he's got like a bit of a frown there. And then his other eyebrow sticks out the other side, it looks like. And his head goes down here. And then he's got a spike coming out of his head. Or if I'm going too fast, remember to hit pause. And then this comes around. And it has a little edge line to it as well. And this comes down this way. So then he has a massive like bit of hair, right? So he's got like a bobbin or something there that's tying it to his head. And then this sort of wavy, bendy, spiraling hair spike. Just coming down this way. And yeah, kind of goes. It's like there might be like some hair texture lines and stuff on it. So his shoulder then, so bumping shoulder here. And then just below that, his like body starts to come down to his big leg. Just like his knee. And then his arm sort of comes out here. And then he has like a wristband thing on his wrist here. So he has a turtle shell on his chest. It's up here actually, but that curves around. So it's like he's got bumpy bits that curve around the shell. And that's the bottom of his belly. And then I'm not sure what's down here, but I think this is, so his like his leg, so that's like his knee. And then he has like 3 toes, 3 spiky sort of toes. That just comes around here. His heel like that, so stumpy sort of legs. So his other one goes out this way. And just comes down to 2 claws that we can see. Then like just a flat sort of square foot. Down there. Boom, boom, boom. Right, so he's got a big Bowser sort of shell on the back. Two spikes, so one here, one here, and then these have like little things around them. Can't see that one really, but maybe like a little bit, but nothing major. And then there's one here as well. Okay, so his other hand, so we can see fingers there, but we'll go down this way first. So this is his arm that's holding the brush, right? So he's got that wristband on it. And then the brush comes into his hand here. Just like a long pipe. So we can just see like claws. And then claws here. So 3 fingers. And then this sort of paintbrush magic sort of wand of his has a couple of little bumps on it, different sections. And then this like comes out to like a spiky section here. And it has like a round picture or something in there. And then the top of the paintbrush curving around. And then it starts to get all painty and stuff around here. And this will travel pretty much all the way, so it's like oozing paint, basically. We go all the way into his hand over this way. I don't know if is he supposed to be holding the other side. So just wavy. Paint sort of texture lines, little sort of blobs and stuff. So this travels into like his hand here, and then down to like a mouth down there. So let's see. So we can go, you can see like his thumb here. And then like his pinky or something this side. And then maybe like the top of a finger just there. And like he is kind of scaly, so like you could do these little clusters of circles on his skin just to show that he is kind of like a lizard sort of. Right, and then we'll finish this, so like wavy all the way around. And put some blobs and textures inside. And then this comes out over here. So it's one of those big mouths, you know, that come out from the pipes, like those flower mouth things, but it's like a paint monster. So just like a lip. There. And then this comes around the back. Alright, and you can see loads of teeth then. Like so. And that's it. Wonder Bowser Jr. Ooh, just a little gap there. Looking forward to the movie. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.